Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. m+4 equals 2 over 3 times m-1. Solving means isolating m on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 2 over 3 times m. To collect the m terms on one side, subtract 2 over 3 times m from both sides. That gives 1 over 3 times m plus 4 equals -1. The plus 4 keeps 1 over 3 times m from standing alone. Subtract 4 from both sides to remove it. That gives 1 over 3 times m equals -5. 1 over 3 is multiplying m. Its reciprocal is 3. Multiply both sides by 3, so the coefficient becomes 1. Quick check. Substitute -15 for m. Both sides equal -11, so the equation balances. So, m equals -15.